Ever wondered how your car heats up on those frosty mornings, or why a sudden leak can mean big trouble? Today, we're breaking down the heater core, the unsung hero of your car's heating system. Let's dive in. A heater core is a device used to transfer heat from the engine, hot coolant to produce warm air to the car interior, and heats the vehicle's cabin. The hot coolant absorbs heat from the engine. To avoid overheating, it's then passed through a winding tube of the core. The heater core is located inside the vehicle, between the instrument panel and the firewall. It works with a few functional components. It works on an internal combustion engine, where water and antifreeze mixture is used in cooling the engine parts. Thus, during the cooling process, the hot coolant goes the extra mile to produce warmth to the vehicle. Interior common symptoms of a bad heater core include lack of heat, frequent loss of coolant, steam coming from the air vents, excessive fogging of inside windows, and an overheating engine. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. Beyond keeping you cozy, the heater core also helps prevent your engine from overheating by circulating coolant. And in cold weather, it can even defrost your windshield for better visibility. Regularly check your coolant levels. Flush your cooling system as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Watch for leaks or unusual smells in your cabin. And that's the heater core, a small but mighty component that keeps you warm and your car running smoothly. Got questions or heater core horror stories? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car tips and tricks.